Can I ever develop the habit of reading? I never thought so, but today here I am. So, how did I go reading all the way from this book over a year to reading this in like 2.5 days? So, I never had the thought of having the habit of reading, but one day my brother, who could not read this book, this was gifted to him by one of his friends, and then he passed it to me, and that is how I got my first book, and the Mountain Secret. Actually, it was a very boring book for a beginner, but I had no idea, so I just took it and I was like, okay, I'm going to start my journey of reading books, and I'm going to excel. Obviously, the only thing that I could think of whenever anything comes to me was that I would excel in like few days, but it never happens. And this took me over like more than a year to complete it, and I got nothing out of it. Like nothing. Actually, I don't really think I understood it, but I somehow completed it. Then I was like, I'm done. This is not something that is for me, and I took a break, a long break, until some days after that I thought I should like give it a one more try. I began this reading these two books. Actually, these are kind of kid stories, so I completed it in few days, and then I realized like my sister wanted to give me some motivation by giving me some books, like by purchasing some for me, and then I let her order these three books, and I began this because it looked something interesting, and the title, The Hate That You Give, and it was something like fascinating, and I started reading it, and I never had this like opinion like it was very interesting book, or I could like dig in it and complete it like in a week or something, but it too took a long time, like over a month I guess, but I completed it. And after I completed it, I realized like even now I somewhere I remind it sometimes, many of the times, it has something that is stuck up in my that got stuck in my brain, some message or some behavior of the main character of the book. So this was one of the good books that I read. And other than that, I have also read Can Love Happen Twice, and all these love stories, they they hold you somewhere to like finish it. So I did finish it, and actually I read the part 2 of the it of that series, Can Love Happen Twice, and then I read the part 1, and it was good. Part 2 was good, and other than that, I also read one of the books that I gifted to my friend before gifting it. I read it in like 2 days because that was the motivation that I have to give it to her like in 2 days. So I read it in 2 days, and other than that, these are the books that I should read, and this is something that I will complete one day. I hope so, and this is something that I can never skip because academics, and this is my newest completion, Twisted Love, and it is a kind of a peaceful book. The climax, actually in the middle of the story there are some kind of intense scenes, like a kind of fight, um, family family fights, whatever, uh, what is it, revenge and everything. I didn't like that part, but I was like, okay, let's complete it, because by the time I come near climax, like 50-80 pages are remaining, and I'm like, and I get to the point like, okay, I don't want to read anymore. But then I started by saying it that I want to complete it and let me finish it. Yeah, the climax was pleasing. And what else? Yeah, this is something that I saw. Actually, I have a backstory. So how did I end up from nothing to having these many books, and very eager to set up a library shelf in my possibly possible room in future to hang all to place all this orderly in that shelf. So after reading like these books and some two of the love stories, I was done with the book collection of mine, and my sister did ask me like I wanted some of books whether. So I recently went to my native place, and when I came back I was just all alone with my phone, and I was like frustrated with my phone. I didn't want to use it. I did not want to use it, and I ended up with all the books that I had, and I had books like this, but I was not much interested in this because these are self-help books and this is English vocabulary which takes kind of stress or extra effort. But other than the books like storybooks and novels which generate interest by themselves somewhere, so I was just sitting all alone and I felt the need of a book in my hand. Even while I was traveling all the way in the train, I felt the need of a book in my hands. Even when I was at my home, at my native place, and I was bored at that time also, I reminded to have means I missed to have a book in my hands. And finally when I was missing the day I came here and I was sitting alone silently in the chair, I decided, okay, why do I want to just think it as like I want a book? Why can't I go and get a book? Why is it always that I have to order it online only? So then I remembered that, okay, I remembered a shop at the corner of the market of our street, and quickly in like 5 minutes I got dressed up. I went there, and I was not sure because I saw that bookstore long ago, and bookstores who buys books, who buy books these days. So I was not really sure that it still exists over there, but when I saw it was not there. But then I walked few distance ahead, and then I realized, okay, there was a book. They shifted the bookstore a few shops ahead, and then there I was, the happiest girl on earth at that point of time, because I wanted to buy a book, and that too with my money that I had, and without any kind of suggestions. I just went there with no idea of the books, anything, and there were only few books available, like storybooks and all. Other than that, they were mostly academic books. And then I chose 4 books, but I didn't have my budget much, so I had to pick 2, and I picked my 2, and I completed it. And this is how I ended up having gone all the way from 1 year a book to 3 days a book. And this is something that I saw somewhere. I remember this picture, I saw it, and when I like took it, like I saw recommendation of this book, and I saw this print over here, 1.5 million copies sold, so I had to take it without any kind of doubt. And the shopkeeper, he also had this scheme, like he would take the books at half a rate and give it at 30% discount. And I decided that I will go definitely with all my books and give it to him and buy some new books. But I will never do that actually, because the library shelf that my house will hold someday is still stuck in my brains. And by the way, by reading other authors, foreign authors, I got this one thing for sure: curse words. मेरा झुमका उठा के आया यार वे, गोरे घूंघट बरेली के बाजार में, मैं तो तुमका लगा के शर्मा गई, गोरे घूंघट उठा के भी मैं आ गई, सबको नचा के